Tool container organizes tools in a workflow. It can isolate a section or a process in a workflow. Tool containers can be disabled to prevent the tools inside from running, and also collapse to take up less room on the canvas. Drag the tool container box to the canvas, then drag the tool into the tool container box. Now look at the configuration window on the left. You can give the tool container a caption. Captions are useful because you can name the process you have sectioned out. There is a checkbox to disable or undisable a tool. Let's check the checkbox to disable. Disabling is useful because if used on an output tool, you can stop the output tool from running and therefore make your workflow run a lot faster. You can also add many more tool containers to a tool. Another way to add the tool container is by right-clicking on the tool you want to contain and then by clicking Add to New Container. You can also put more than one tool inside a tool container. By selecting more than one tool, you can then right-click and then click on Add to New Container. This will add the tools inside the tool container. You can also collapse the tool container by clicking on the arrow up button. To uncollapse, click on the arrow down button.